Yo, what's up, guys? What's up, DJs? How's it going, everybody? All right, so we're gonna have a look at Jasmy. Got an article to go through for Jasmy, and I just wanted to chat a little bit about my thoughts about what's been going on with Jasmy over this last week. So, market's starting to recover a bit from that flash crash. A lot of liquidations earlier today on Bitcoin. That's why we dropped down to around 90K, and we saw a pullback on a lot of the alts. But Jasmy still up 21.2% on the day, up 8 spots and ranked to 62. It's up 107% on the week and 172% on the month. Still a $2.52 billion market cap and $2.44 billion in volume. Sitting at 5 cents 214. Guys, I feel fairly confident that 5 cents is a pretty strong. We're going to build a strong level of support there. I think it's a big psychological level that the Jasmy bulls don't want to fall back down below. So far, so good. We're holding that 5 cent level. We're actually well above it. It's, like I said, 5 cent 214. So that's very, very bullish. Let's go have a look over at the Jasmy chart. So yeah, I made a little hypothesis here over on the Patreon. We were having a deep dive group Zoom call earlier today, guys. By the way, you got to get over to the Patreon and join our group Zoom calls, guys. You're missing out on so much alpha. We have everyone from veterans to beginners, and we do these deep dives. And we were talking today about how actually, this kind of looks like we're going to form. I think we're going to form a bit of a bull flag here on Jasmy. We're going to climb up, and then I think that what we're going to do is I think we're going to kind of ping pong here for about a week before we break to the upside. As you can see, I have my target. This line here is my target for where we're going to the upside. I was doing that again over on the Patreon earlier today. For me, we're looking at somewhere between 9 to 10 cents on a breakout from the bull flag, in my opinion. So that's what I will be watching for here. Like I said, probably ping pong here for a couple days and then take off again. But that 5 cent level seems to be a pretty strong level of support right here. So yeah, so far so good. We go have a look over at Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the chart here. All right, so for me, guys, as long as Bitcoin stays inside this box, it's good for the altcoins. As long as we don't drop below 90K, altcoins should be fine. Altcoins should continue to grow, right? Crazy wick to the upside there, $104,000. Crazy, guys. Then we had this mass liquidation all the way down to 90,500 and then all the way back up to above the trend line of the symmetrical triangle. And we have respected this symmetrical triangle so far. So, I mean, a couple of days, I think we're going to break back up here. It shouldn't, I don't see any issue. I really don't. All right. So real quick, just wanted to chat about Jasmy, guys. It has been, I got an article we're going to get through as well, but I just wanted to mention real quick. It has been exhausting over this last week, this last 7 or 8 days, keeping track of all of these updates with Jasmy, doing these deep dives, talking with ambassadors for the program, getting information, digging in. And it's just been announcement after announcement, like bullish news after bullish news. I don't know how some of you guys are not exhausted right now. And I don't know how some people are bearish right now, to be honest with you, with everything that's been going on. We have the whole, where do we even begin? We have the whole innovation zone being removed from the innovation zone the first week of January. We have Binance purchasing 800 million tokens of Jasmy for some undisclosed reason right now, right? We have the PDL being integrated into the cancer research division of decentralized science, right? DeSci, which is a narrative that I'm very bullish going into the next bull run on. The PDL, like we have other concepts like a lockup, like so Jasmy's going to be paying cancer patients for their data anonymously into the PDL for cancer research But where's Jasmy going to get the Jasmy tokens? Where's the company going to get the tokens from to pay the cancer patients? Are they doing a buyback from exchanges? Is that why Binance bought 800 million tokens? We know that Jasmy's not certified or not licensed to custody, so that's why when they locked up 100 million back in March, they had to get one of the exchanges in Japan to custodian those Jasmy tokens that they locked up, because Jasmy's not licensed to custody crypto, right? So we've had that. Just guys, we had the partnership today with IoT.io or whatever it's called, another IoT company that they're moving into Japan and partnering with Jasmy on that. We talked about that earlier today. We've had multiple listings for Jasmy. We've had Jasmy put on Coinbase's top 50 rank of crypto projects. It's just like, it has just been exhausting to keep up with all of it, but exhausting in a good way, guys. Exhausting in a good way, right? We've been doing all of these deep dives over on the Patreon in the group Zoom calls, chatting about what's coming next and what's happened so far. And we did a deep dive discussion on the KPI goals and how those need to be updated. And we theorized, we speculated on what the new KPI goals should be. When should the new goal for $17 be, right? So get over to the Patreon, guys, and join these conversations, because there's a lot of alpha over there you're definitely missing out on. And then, so it's been a lot, so much bullish news. And I have to keep going back to the fact that my good friend Max from Maximus Crypto was on the channel about 2 weeks ago, and he said, whenever Jasmy gets quiet, we get these big announcements. And he called it like crazy, because sure enough, 2 weeks later, it's just been bombshell after bombshell after bombshell for Jasmy. It's just been crazy, right? So definitely go give Max a sub, and make sure you like and subscribe to this channel as well, guys. The best place to get your alpha. So yeah, I mean, it's been kind of tiring, but in a good way. Like I said, I'm happy. It's going good. Officially, guys, officially as well, we've had our first member over on the Patreon hit a 7-digit portfolio. So congratulations once again. I announced it over on the Patreon earlier today, but yes, we have our first member over on the Patreon hitting, becoming a millionaire. So many more to come, guys. Get over there and join the party, guys. Join it. Get your exit strategy in place. We can help you build an exit strategy, a profit-taking plan. We do swing trades over there, guys. Just I'm telling you, you're missing out, man. We had our first millionaire announcement today. We look forward to making every one of our members over there the 7-digit club. All right, so Jasmy's price gears up for an explosive surge, having completed a bullish cup and handle pattern formation. Bitcoin surpassed the $100,000 price target expectation and set a new all-time high of $103,900, giving altcoins a healthy spur in Bitcoin and bullish activity. With an earlier than expected start to altcoin season, several popular altcoins have begun to pump at an exponential rate, while other capable altcoins are showing strong indicators of for a significant surge ahead. Presently, the price of BTC has dipped a little and is hovering at the 102,000. It's actually at 97,900 right now. So, meanwhile, altcoins like Doge and Ethereum pioneer meme coin, and altcoin assets have already begun to pump. Analysts have noticed that these assets have broken out of the bull flag and will likely see significant rises in the days ahead. Another popular altcoin that has just broken out of a bullish formation is Jasmy. To many analysts, it is no surprise that Jasmy, the asset known as the Bitcoin of Japan, is experiencing bullish activity after Bitcoin's latest all-time high. In detail, Jasmy's price has just broken out of a bullish cup and handle pattern. Jasmy prepares for phenomenal bull pump. By consulting TradingView, analytics, it seems that Jasmy is indeed preparing for an explosive uptrend. The altcoin is currently at 4 cents 2. It's actually up at 5 cents 2 now. Price mark, and is set to pump heavily towards the 3 cent price target. 3 cent price. Holy crap. 3 cent, 30 cent price target. Sorry, 3 cent. Signifying that it could be an almost 10x pump from these prices. Furthermore, the cup and handle, the Jasmy USDT price chart points to a cup and handle neckline resistance preparing for a breakout. This formation took about 1,000 days to come into alignment, and once the price breaks above the neckline on the cup and handle charts, Jasmy holders could welcome a pump of 200% or even 600% in the coming days. So are we going to see a 30-cent Jasmy on this breakout, guys? Are we just having a little bit of a rest stop before we continue on our way to 30 cents? I want to know what you guys think, but as always, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with yours truly over on the Patreon, guys, and join our group Zoom calls once again, where we do these deep dive discussions. We have price targets, price predictions, deep dives. We talk with them. I talk with ambassadors, and that's where I drop off the latest and greatest information. So definitely get over there, guys. Again, we also do swing trades, all kinds of things, guys. The live chat's 24/7. We have everyone from veterans to beginners over there. If you have never been to an altcoin season before, guys, it's about to get crazy for you. There's going to be euphoria everywhere. There's going to be all kinds of misinformation and people telling you super cycle this and super cycle that. Don't sell, don't take profits. Guys, there is no shame in having your hand held by a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons, if it means providing you with life-changing wealth for you and your family. So get over there, surround yourself with a community of people who know what they're doing, who have been through multiple cycles, and can help you build an exit strategy, build a profit-taking plan. Do you even know where you plan on taking your profits? Do you understand how to identify liquidity in the market and if your sell orders will fill when you get there? If not, you need to be over in the Patreon, guys. So click the link in the description down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.